Ladies and gentlemen, Six Fig Stock Trader here from YouTube, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about a super bullish sign on the ICP charts. But first, we're going to go into what's going on within the ecosystem right this second. So let's get into this. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. As I tweeted out this morning, I did acquire a new poked bot. Who couldn't resist this chocolate-looking donut with chainsaw arms and a jetpack? I had to have it. It has a rarity of about 90% plus, somewhere in there. So that was very important to me, that it was in its own little league of its own. So with that said, big shout out to Poked Studio. And one other thing that I just wanted to kind of look at, and this kind of almost inspired me to get one of these poked bots. I had always kind of planned on it, but really I just decided to pull the trigger. The time is now when ICP prices are rather low. So we have this pinned tweet from Andrew.ICP. You can follow him at Andrew_Lee_Tang. And looks like he is Web3 Games at Definity. But what I'm noticing in this gameplay is that this is almost like some sort of Command and Conquer style game, but in a first person or second person view. And we are collecting like Tiberium or minerals or gold, whatever it is, using a poked bot. I mean, it's just so cool. You can't, this is just so cool to see this type of tech and game built up on Definity's internet computer. I mean, it's awesome. So I can't wait to see what IC 1101, has in store for this game, and we'll definitely be covering it. So if you're interested in following the progression of that, hit up IC 1101 World. And let's get on to the next thing. June 20th. Definity announces that, due to community demand, we are extending the Supernova hackathon by 24 hours. That extension is now up. As far as I know, it's 6/22 now. Close to 4,000 devs building. Wishing every team the best of luck. So when we look at this information on DevPost, we can see that 1,663 developers are working solo. Another 840 are looking for teammates. Another 827 already have a team. Now, let's just kind of look at this chart here. And we got this amazing falling wedge. And when I trade, I love trading the rising wedge and I love trading the falling wedge. And when we see these falling wedges and these patterns really fill out over a super long period of time, one of the most bullish things you can really look for when looking for a pattern is the length of time it's been developing for. The shorter the pattern, usually the shorter pumps or dumps you will see, and it's vice versa. So the larger the pattern, usually it signals more strength either way. But when we look at this, we can see that just by using some trend lines, things like that, bear with me, I've got TradingView going crazy. We can see that right now, price action has indeed violated this trend line here. So we are now outside of this massive falling wedge. And I really do hope that we see a very significant rush up here. And when we're looking at this on a daily chart, I'm seeing that we have the conversion line now trading horizontal to the baseline. And this is usually a good indication that we are about to see price start shooting off. Here is an example of when the price action was trading horizontal with the baseline here. Price took off. Same with right in here. So I am hoping that we see ICP start taking off here in the next few days. Obviously, nothing's guaranteed. This isn't financial advice or anything like that. But this setup has me super bullish. The fact that this is a very thin Ichimoku cloud here makes me bullish, easier to get through. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video on internet computer and the price action and what's kind of going on within the ecosystem. I think that once a lot of these projects on the Supernova hackathon start getting graded and released to the public, we're just going to see this focus on internet computer and all these new projects that are all of a sudden there. So I'm very excited to see what the next week, what the next month looks like for ICP. And this Supernova hackathon, it might just be the tipping point to get price going the other way. Again, not financial or trading advice. We're just kind of looking at the charts with an open opinion of what could be happening. So check out these end screens for other internet computer ecosystem projects, and we'll see you guys all on the next video.